Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. This is my first video on this channel. What? This look, oh my god, everyday look except the lip. I'm excited as a F. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the reason as to why I did not apply moisturizer is because I wanted to share with you this step that I usually do every single day. Now I use the Clinique SPF 50 sunscreen. First, after washing my face or showering, I use it on my body and I use it on my face. And next is the L'Oreal Triple Action Day Cream, which I absolutely love. I love this day cream so much because it actually leaves my skin so hydrated during the day, and I do not need to worry about my skin drying up and me looking all ashy and all that. And because we're gonna be applying makeup as well on top, you need something to be really hydrating, because with a lot of powder on the face, your skin can tend up to be cakey, and a good moisturizer is always the key to actually a better makeup appearance. For my lips, my lips are usually dry. Oh my god, they're the worst. I may drink 10 liters of water a day, but my lips will be cracked. Hey. So I use the Norwegian lip balm. It's a lip cream, it's a lip moisturizer by Neutrogena. It's a little small thingy like this. It's easy to carry anywhere you want, easy to travel. I mean, you can even put it in your pocket, in your jeans. Next I'm gonna go with the My Maybelline New Baby Skin Instant Pore Red Eraser. I'm just gonna put it under my eyes, on my cheeks. So next I'm just gonna go with the Fenty foundation, the Pro Filter foundation. My shade is 430, but I actually want to change it, so I'm just gonna put some on my beauty blender, and we're just gonna put some on here. Okay, so next we're going to go with my Clinique concealer. That's in the shade Deep Honey. Now a little bit goes a long way, so just put a little bit under my eyes to cover those eye bags. I didn't get much sleep today because I actually slept at 2 watching Game of Thrones. Now I'm just going to buff this with my beauty blender under my eyes, just to soak in the product in my skin. What's that? I don't see it. What's that? I don't see it. Alright, so I'm using the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette today. Now this is the first time I'm actually using it. I mean, it has been in the market for almost a year now. Year 2, I don't know, and this is my first time using it, so I'm actually hella excited because, man, the formula in this is actually amazing. So, and it's actually a very cheap drugstore product. If you want to be a Beyonce craze, you know, Lemonade Craze is here to be your assistant. The first shade I actually want to go in is Coral Punch, which is an amazing transition color, and I'm just gonna dab in and just rub that over my crease and give it that transition shade that I need. Now it's orange on the palette, but not as orange when it comes to the skin, so you have to build it up to the exact quantity that you need. Alright, now that is actually coming off really nicely. Next, I'm just gonna go with old fashioned, and I'm just gonna put it on the outside corners of my eyes. And I'm just gonna dab the product just gently on the outside of my eyelids. I really want to try out the shade Main Squeezed. Looks a bit shimmery and looks bomb, so we're just gonna try that. I'm just going to spray my Fix Plus first. I'm just gonna put this on top of my eyelids, like in the middle. Ooh, girl, do you see that? Do you see that? Oh my god, wow, this is amazing. I'm just gonna put this up here and create like a cut crease moment with it. Now I don't think with this you actually need to actually put concealer first, because it does the job by itself. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Lemon Craze, the shade Lemon Craze, and I'm just gonna put it on my inner eyelid or inner eye line, whatever. And it's not as pigmented as I thought on the first side. So. Oh, I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. Yep, that's the kind of yellow I want. There you go. Just gonna eyeliner my eye with some Miniso eyeliner I got. Now this, it says it's 24-hour long lasting, and yeah. So we're just gonna eyeline from the inner corner of my eye all the way down here. I'm just gonna do a little bit of a eyeliner. I'm not gonna go crazy with it. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Just a little bit. Not too much. I'm gonna go in with the Lemon Craze, and I'm just gonna do my under eye. So next thing, I'm just gonna go in with my mascara from Maybelline, and I'm just gonna do my upper eyelashes. Okay. So I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Next, I'm gonna contour, and I'm gonna be using my Fenty Contour Matchstick, as usual, in the shade Espresso. I'm gonna be using this little blush from Scarlett. It's in Autumn Glow. So next in, I'm just gonna use my Inglot highlighter, and we're just gonna highlight the hell out of this makeup. Okay, sis, we did not come to play. No ma'am, we did not come to play today. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I can't. I just can't. This moment is so precious to me. It's just, oh my god. Somebody else. I feel like doing a blue lip today. let's just try it. So I'm just gonna outline my lips with my liner from Master Kajal. It's a Maybelline liner. Alright, next we're gonna go in with my Remo London lipstick and matte lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick. It's the shade blue. It's a blue shade. Purple if you pay, but it's blue. My camera is dying. So this is the finished look. Thank you for stopping by. Do click on the subscription box down below, and do also click on that bell so that you get notified every single time I actually upload a video. And don't forget to follow me on my socials. It would be really nice to have new friends, you know. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. Do come by more often, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.